Hello, this is our entry for CockroachDB challenge. So this is the app page that you will be seeing when you go to our application. Cancer research agents lose valuable context when tasks, services or sessions on restart. So OncoTwin Memory Mesh gives research teams agents that remember a tumor evolution, coordinate safely, and explain every decision. So now we'll focus on the tabs that are available. The first important one is the persistent memory. So as you can see, the application runs on light sail, uses AWS Lambda for opening open source embeddings, and uses CockroachDB cloud as its transactional and semantic layer. So you can see through the phases itself, like we consider one of the data that is available. Now as you can see, like all of the flows are shown over here. So we have the clinical signal, agent checkpoint, and others that are there. This is not a simple conversational history. CockroachDB stores the research subject, clinical events, agent runs checkpoints, episodic memories, agent to agent handoff, and approval state together. Here the bioinformatics agent detects a synthetic met positive resistant population, handed the evidence to the ML guardian, and stopped at a pending human safety state. As you can see here it is. So now what we will do is we'll embed the entire uh, data that's here into through Lambda. So we'll just click on it. So as you can see, like we went through ADS Lambda, fast embed BG, then CockroachDB vector memory. So after an application reload, the complete state is rehydrated from the CockroachDB. So you see like it's being rehydrated over here. Now here you see, like if you have to if you want to query some information like retrieve. So we have a question that is there: what treatment resistance mechanism is emerging? So if I just click on distributed memory, you will see the result. The question is embedded through the same AWS Lambda service. CockroachDB's distributed vector index retrieves the relevant episodic memory. Emerging meditated resistance, including its source agent, confidence, meta data, and similarity score. So now we will go to the evolution tab. Like we will try to get more information. So retrieval is not the final output. 5 specialist agents use the recalled evolution frames to evaluate multiple possible futures. They compare resistant clone sweeps, portability, as well as uncertainty and evidence received back into the CockroachDB. So if we just click on generate evolutions persistent council, you'll see the information of it. To make it more complete, what we do is like we move to the option where you can ask for the evolve for um, membered paths. It's for the tracking of the genes that has happened and the cancer progression that you can see. Like if you click on it, it would go through the process that's there and you get the information from it. So now after this genome helix. So genome helix is like the compression, the process of the cancer that has happened. You can directly check for it. Like you have different kind of options that has the memory conditions path, and you can select from it and you can check. Like if I just click on evidence prune path and generate persistent memory, you see the observed options that are there for the process, and you can just click on the cancer progression. You will see how the cancer has evolved and progressed over the time. So this is very helpful for researchers to find out how it has worked. You can also select between mutation rupture. You can see the exact situation and how it has hit the helix structure that is there. So you get the more information out of it. So now we will check for the CockroachDB tooling. So we go to the CRDB ops option, where you will see it goes from the checking state to all of the live options that is there. So what we are doing is that system can also prove its own database integration. A read-only operations agent follows CockroachDB's cluster health. So Now we click on the live retrieval path. So if we just click on this, you will see the entire flow is given and all the tools that have acted together is coming to a solution part. It turns CockroachDB into a shared memory and coordination system for cancer evolution agents. So that is